I am a millionaire. I have completely released all negative thoughts about money. I am now a powerful money magnet. Wealth is a natural part of my life. I am surrounded by abundance. I have a millionaire lifestyle. I can easily afford to buy anything that I desire. My millionaire mindset is constantly attracting massive wealth into my life. I love my life. I have more than $1 million in my bank account. I have many lucrative investments and assets. My money is working for me to make even more money while I sleep. I have multiple passive income streams. Money loves being a part of my life. I am grateful for all of the abundance that surrounds me. Making money is easy for me. I have everything that I desire, and even more is coming to me every single day. Thank you.